Whoa, let's see what's inside. Oh, check that out. Watch this, let's race it off. Whoa! What's in here? Ooh! Whoa, did you see that? Hi guys, we have some super fun Play-Doh eggs here, and we're going to see what's inside of them.
Hi little Earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. Let's see what's inside all of these Play-Doh eggs.
Okay, let's get started with one over here. Let's see, what color is this Play-Doh egg? This Play-Doh egg is blue. And look, it looks like there's something sticking out of it. I wonder what that is. Let's see. Let's start opening up our Play-Doh. I see some little feet in there. And it's a catastrophe cat, but as Chase. It's our Chase catastrophe cat. He's wearing blue. We love cats. They're so fun. So let's set him right where our egg was. And let's get our next one. Let's do this egg next. This egg is brown. Whoa, let's see what's inside. Oh, check that out. We found a race car. It's a green race car too. Watch this, let's race it off. Whoa! Here it goes. Whoa, bonk. That's a fun little surprise. Little green race car. All right, can you see what our next color is? Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's this one. It's green, just like our race car. So let's squish this one open. Oh, there we go. Do you see something in there? I see something. Here it is. Look who this is. It's Rocky from Paw Patrol. We love Rocky. Rocky likes to wear green too. Look, we got a green car and green Rocky. All right, our next color is red. Who wears red on the Paw Patrol? Let's find out what's red. It looks like there's some feet right there. And it's Marshall. He's wearing a red hat. So that's why he was in the red Play-Doh. He's so cute. He has all his little spots. Look, now we have 3 of our Paw Patrol, but one's a catastrophe cat. So now let's do our pink one next. This is our pink egg. I wonder what's going to be in here. I wonder if it's going to be a Paw Patrol. Let's see. It's not a Paw Patrol. Look what it is. It's a little pop-up animal. And it's all sparkly too. It's pink sparkly. And if we flip this, look how cool that looks. This looks kind of like a bear right there. And this one looks kind of like a dog. A sparkly pink dog and a clear see-through bear. That was a fun surprise. I liked that surprise a lot. Now let's do our next Play-Doh egg. Except this one isn't made out of Play-Doh at all. It's just a normal egg. What's in here? Ooh! Whoa! Did you see that? It's some blue slime. Whoa! Plop. Let's see what's in this blue slime. It's something else that's blue. It's a super cute little penguin. And look, glittery wings. That was fun with our blue slime. Let's put our blue slime right next to it. Okay, now let's do a next Play-Doh egg. This one's blue. And look, it's even sparkly blue. So let's open this up. There's something in there. Ooh, which Paw Patrol is this? Do you know? This is our Robo-Dog. Robo-Dog Paw Patrol. He has blue ears and an orange collar. There he is. Now look, we only have 1, 2, 3 Play-Doh eggs left. So let's open up our yellow Play-Doh egg. What's in here? Oh, did you guess it? It's Rubble from Paw Patrol. He wears yellow, so he was in the yellow Play-Doh egg. There's Rubble. Now we have 2 more eggs. Let's do this pink one. This one's glittery too, pink glittery. So what's in here? It's Skye from Paw Patrol. Finally, we got Skye. She likes to wear pink. There she is. Now we have 1 egg left. This one's orange. There's something poking out of it too, just like one was poking out of Chase's catastrophe cat. No way, look, it's another catastrophe cat, but it's Zuma, because Zuma wears orange. There, look at all those fun surprises we got.
That was so fun, little Earthlings. Now, let's see what's going to happen in the next video. Zim, zam, shabam!
Whoa, look what just popped up. Hi guys, we have Marshall here today with this fun disc drop game.
Woohoo! Yeah, and I am going to do some magic so you can get some special surprises.
That's right. Marshall, where's all the other Paw Patrol? I didn't tell anyone because I wanted all of the tokens to myself to get all of the surprises just for me. Marshall, that's not very nice. You gotta share your tokens with other people.
I can't do my magic if you don't share.
That's right, Marshall. We gotta share. Okay, you're right. I'll go get the other Paw Patrol. Woo! Oh, good. Okay, here they come. Woohoo! This is going to be so fun. Woohoo! I love this game. This game is the most fun. Such a fun game. Woohoo! Okay, now we're only missing Everest. Incoming! Boop. Okay, now we have all of our Paw Patrol here. And they're all in front of their colored circles. Now we can do some
magic! Okay, Paw Patrol, drop a token down our disc drop game, and then we'll see what happens with my magic.
All right, let's start with this first red disc. Let's put it up here. Whoa! Oh, it landed in Marshall's. That was red. What's gonna happen, Marty?
Zim, zam, shabam!
Whoa, look what just popped up. Whoa. We got a red egg because it landed in the red slot. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, we got a cool blue racing car. Here we go, let's watch it race. Whoa. All right, Marshall, there's your surprise. Boop. Let's drop some more tokens. Let's drop a blue one this time. Did you see which one that landed in?
I did. It was the blue one. Zim, zam, shabam!
Oh, there popped up a blue egg. This egg is for our Chase. It's blue. Pop. Whoa, did you see that? Here's our surprise. Oh, it's a fun little pop-up animal. Look, this looks like a donut penguin. What happens if we flip him? Whoa, now it's a watermelon walrus. That's really funny. Okay, let's set this surprise by Chase. Okay, let's do another token. This one's yellow. Whose did that one land in?
The pink one! Zim, zam, shabam!
There's a pink egg! Oh my goodness! Let's open it up. Oh, look, we got a funny little finger puppet. Rawr. Little finger puppet monster. That's really fun. Dun, dun, dun. It's pink too, so it matches Skye. That's a good little surprise for Skye. Okay, let's do another token. Let's see who's gonna get their next surprise. Did you see which one it landed in?
Okay, Everest, get ready for an egg. Zim, zam, shabam!
There's an egg for Everest. Ooh, what surprise is that? It's a Ninja Turtle keychain flashlight. Look, green light. That is fun. There's your surprise, Everest. Look how many Paw Patrol have gotten surprises. 1, 2, 3, 4 of our Paw Patrol have gotten surprises. So let's keep going. Let's use this yellow token next. Oh no, look, let's help it.
Woohoo! Rocky! Shim! Zim, zam, shabam!
There we go. Dun, 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 dun. Here's our green egg with our green surprise. It's a green birdie surprise. Whoop, whoop. Let's try popping him. Here we go.
Pop, 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 little birdie, pop.
Whoa, did you see him pop? That was a cool pop. Okay, there's Rocky's bird. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Paw Patrol with surprises. Let's get our last 2 Paw Patrol some surprises. Here's a blue token.
Rubble on the double. Let's get you a yellow egg. Zim, zam, shabam!
There's a yellow egg just for Rubble. Here we go. What is this surprise? It's a fun little cow. But when we flip him over, it's a cute little pig. Oink, oink. Okay, look, there's Rubble's surprise. Now we only need one more surprise for Zuma. Are you ready? Here's a red token.
Okay, Zuma! Zim, zam, shabam!
There we go. There's our last egg for Zuma. Let's open it up. Oh, look. We got a cute little monkey for Zuma. Has a sparkly little hair. That is cute. There we go. There's all of our Paw Patrol with all of their surprises. Good job, Marshall, for sharing. Look how happy all of our Paw Patrol are. I'm happy too. Thank you so much, Marty.
You're welcome, you guys. Now, let's see what's going to happen in the next video. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.